Okay, we are starting soon. Okay. We will start in 3 minutes. Let's log in. Let me get some coffee and we'll see what we can find in the market. We will start in 3 minutes time. Let me see if there are someone coming live here now. Let me see. So we'll start in 2 minutes. I will So for the ones that join now, the only ones that have approved email is able to see this session. The rest will not be able to join. So that's that. So it's just to click the links you see in WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and you also should have received an email with a link. So we'll start. I'll give one more minute and we start. Let's see. Says here 0, but I think this is a little wrong. Let's take it to one screen. Let's remove some of these things. Let's start with currencies. We take so now I give it enough time for people to join, so I will now start. So before I do anything, I will just explain the way we are going to trade and how you can copy me. First of all, make sure you change the chart you see up here. Put it to time frame. See here, you push here. You will use candles and choose S30. Okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2, go over here. Make sure you push here. Choose this to be 30 seconds. This one we put there. So this secure that we are 30 seconds. Okay. Now we have that in order. Step number 3, of course, change your bid here to whatever you feel for your account. Use max 3-4% of your account. And the last step, what I will do, any trade I do, you will be able to trade. So for example here now, I take a line like this. I will not change the colors because it will be quite clear. Like for example here now, if you come down to this green line here, that means this bar, this become a red bar that go down, and it touch this line. That means that you physically see that this one cross or touch this green line. We just push higher. Okay, it's that simple. Same go if I, for example, I'll take one that will not hit anytime soon. Same if I make one more line up here, and we target, for example, the tops here. If a green bar go up and touch or cross this line, we push lower. That's basically how we're going to do in this session, and we will see if we can find some good trades. I will not promise you that I will do 1 hour session, but we at least will trade for a little while. Everything depends how much action we get and how good everything is going, and how long time actually takes before we get any trades. Also later today, I will appreciate if you all, because I say you all because there will be, I will post this video after, so make sure you check the links below the video, so you can enjoy to follow me here also. It's completely for free. You find links below the video for that, so you can join these sessions in the future. Okay, now we are just waiting for our buy trade on here, and what we also will do, we will start to see if we can get our area up here. What I would like to see, we are not trading this yet, so don't trade yet. I will tell you if you want to trade something. I'm looking at the area here. I have not decided if it's an area I want to trade yet. Let's see now. It's getting close to it. Do not trade. We are just checking now. Let's see. Because we see here we have a strong support, and this should be then a good resistance. I want to see if we close below this one now. If we do so, we might take a trade on the next. So let's see now. I just want to follow and see how this one would have panned out first. That did go well. Now I like him to go a little down. Perfect. Now we are trading both these lines, okay? So now if you come down to this line you see here, I'll push up. Looks like we maybe get it now. And if we come up to this line again up here, we'll push lower. So just be ready now to trade. Okay, let's see. It's a little more difficult to trade on this broker than IQCent, the one I do in the first session of the day. There we get very clear lines. You can get in super lines where you can print money. Here we need to work a little more for it. So now we have two lines. We lower on this one down here, higher. It's that simple. And you're on pair Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Okay. Now let's see. We are ready. Typically when I trade myself, I put up multiple lines, as a martingale, but I will not do that here now because that will make confusions for you. We should have a win rate around 75–80%. That means we should win between 7 and 8 out of 10 trades. By the way, coffee is important. I trade so much in a day. This is something new for me. I typically do just one session a day. This is now a second session, and I also make videos, so this is a full day work for me now. But I love teaching, so why not? And I'm also thinking about doing Forex sessions. Sure, there, we go in there. Now let's see if this one is going good. Looks like he's breaking, let's see. Why was so short? Make sure you have this one. Okay. I had wrong. We might have won if I had not done. Make sure you have this one, sorry. Now let's see. No, I think, let me see what will happen here now. I want to see if he go down or if he stay up. I think, let me see, I want to confirm what will going to happen here now. Will he go up or will he go down? Let me see. Now I need to wait a little so you can see what's going on here. Looks like he's going up. Then let's put a line here and let's wait and see. I think here will be a good area. Now for the top. Seems for me we maybe can have something around here. I need a confirmation first. This one is not active. We can remove this one in the bottom. This one is not active yet. Now we need to see what happened when they come up to this line. Let's see. I think this line should be quite clear. So let's wait and see. We see that we could have got a couple of trades there. So let's see what happened up here now. If he'll just break through or will continue. We will at least buy on the line down here. This one is active, this is not, okay? So the one here, if you come down there again, we will then consider, I will look now as we have a clear cut. Maybe he will go more like this one you see here. So maybe I need to move this one a little up. I will see what happens now when you come down. Now let's see. Okay. Now let's see how far down he chooses to go. I'm curious about that. Looks like we can maybe move this line a little to around here. Let's take it here. Let's see. So I move adjust the line now. You see the number in the screen there now is 0.87.161. I move the higher line to. Okay. Now let's see if we come down again. What will happen there? Now at least should be 30 seconds. We are not trading line up here yet. I want to see a confirmation. Now start to look. Let's see here now what will happen. We see this line. We did not trade it. It looks like it just breaks straight through it. Then we know at least a good line up around here. Here I will not need confirmation. Here I will just push lower if you come up there. So now this is the two lines we have just currently. Now we'll just wait and see how this pans out. I'm ready to put higher. And the way I do things is that if I see him break through, I just wait. Right when I see he start to go up, then I push higher. That's the way. If I see he break, then I'm ready to push higher. Okay, you will see when I get there. Let's see now. If he chooses to come down there, of course. Otherwise, up here, I think we have a very good line. We see that this is a good one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. This will close the exactly. This one will maybe be a zero trade. So we should be able to make some money up in the line there. If you have any questions, you can just type to me in WhatsApp. It's easier. Then pop up in my screen, and then I'm able to see your questions. Okay. So just write to me in WhatsApp, and then I'll see. Now we are ready. Let's see if we choose to come down to this line down there. So currently we are down $50 on the session for now. Now let's see. We did not come exactly where we wanted yet. I lost the first trade a little by mistake. I had wrong here. I think the trade was just for a few seconds. Need to be 30 seconds. Now let's see. You need to have some patience with this. Patient, print money, basically. Okay. If this start to take too long time, we will start with multi-screen. Then we'll go over and trade maybe 3 pairs or 4. Now we are ready to push down on the line we have up here. You see the number is at 0.8742.8 is our sell line. So if you come up to that line, we will push lower. Now let's see. You're getting close. This just on the spikes here. We want a spike to go up here because that is the higher end of the spectrum for spikes. So now let's see if we can get a new test up here. I hope we can get all the way up. Now we are ready again. We might need to push fast. Okay, let's see. like I said, this is trading. Some days we get trades, and other ways we need to wait a little on the perfect setups. That's just how it is. So, but we see the tendency is trending upwards on the 1 minute chart at least. I think maybe we'll start to look at more pairs. If nothing happens quite soon now, if we come down to the middle here, I will start open more pairs. Now it's 2 times you come down there. Maybe we can start to trade that line also. Let's see. I'll take a buy trade on this one down there. It's at 0, 87, 29, 8. Now let's see. Now we have a tighter trading area, so we should get a trade pretty soon. In either direction. Okay, I'm ready. In there. This time we got 30 seconds at least. That's good. I will just go and close the door here because it's getting some sound. Did I lose the thread? Strange. Going again. Let me see. That must have been very exact. Thought that was a good entry. He must have closed it exactly on the line. Completely okay. Maybe you got more lucky than me. At least you're winning that one. There, we won that one. Let's see, we'll take one in the top. We are ready to take one if you come up to that line. That's it. Now let's see. Almost. I take it there. You're in. Then, when we win that trade there now, we are basically more or less at 0 for the day. That's it. Now we'll take an extra one up here. If go up there, because that will be I was a little slow. At least you won the trade. When you see a spike like this, we just need to take an extra. Now we are going to move up around here. That's the next one. Let's see if we come up there now. So now the next one is 0.87522. We sell it. Let's see if we get up there. Come on. So for the day now we are in 0. There, I mean, we got it in there. Quite good entry, I think. Now we just need to wait and see. Now we need to wait 16 seconds. Now while I do that, let's see if there's someone following. There are. And there we won. So then we can see the trades now. We lost the two first. So basically we can save $100 down there. So take 100 plus 96 plus, no, let's, no, wait, minus 100, the first two trades, plus 46, of course, plus 46, plus 46, so a $38 profit till now, so all good. Now we need to see where we're going to trade. We have, I think these two, I think I will take this one a little higher for confidence. I'll look a little to the left here now. I think there will be the next one. So we change our upper line till 0.87545. That's our new area. Note that down. 0.87545. That is the sell line. And our buy line is at 0.87298. And also give me comments, did you lose the one down here, the one I lost? Because I did check after now, was a millimeter. So maybe you got more lucky on that one. I got super unlucky on that trade, by the way. So now we are maybe get a buy trade, so be ready. We are ready for a buy. Because now we see we're getting quite close to the line we are down here. We'll see. Now let's see if we can get a trade on there. So it's basically, this is how easy it is to trade buy and option, by the way. We are just targeting specific areas. We move a little by little, and we are trading basically support and resistance. And while we trade, we always change a little, so we are always ready for the next. When I trade by myself, I typically have 4 at the same time, 3 or 4, and I trade all of them. But that will make maybe confusement. I was thinking, what should I do? I did a little in the last session, but I think make confusement. It will be too many lines for you and will be difficult for you to follow. So I make it stupid simple, so you have specific areas. So if the bar now come up to the screen up here now, we push lower. We are very close now, let's see. We are ready. If we get up there again, we will take a sell trade, a lower trade, okay? So now let's wait and see. I will, by the way, make a video today about other YouTubers' strategies. I will follow everything and I'll trade on my live account here. And let's see if we can make money from it or lose, whatever. And ready, take it there. You see, I waited, I was patient, I waited as much as I could, just to get the best entry possible, okay? So now let's wait and see if we can win this trade. I think now I'll take 100 up there, because if I can get it up there, perfect. Let's look to the left, how things looks like. We see that we have a strong resistance there. Probably we win both of them. Let's see. I don't know if I won the first. Let's wait and see. I'll go to close it after. We'll go and see hereafter now how this did turn out. Okay, we lost this one, but we won this one. So then we do then I will do a calculation after, but we are in profit at least. Now let me see what we'll do here now. I always need to look to the left. Let's see if this is an area I want to trade. Let me see more to the left. Yes, looks like this might be a good region. So if you come up there again, we will take a $50 trade. Okay, we are ready. Send me a message how you're doing, by the way. Give me updates. We might have a support here now. Let's wait and see. Like you see, when I see a big spike go above the area I'm trading, I typically take one more trade just to get the spike. Most of the time I win both of them. This time I just won one. Okay, just so you understand what I'm doing here now. This is me just trying to make the most money I can out of every situation. This might be confusing for you in the first session, but after a few sessions you will start to see my point. Now I think we'll get a refusement here, let's see, because we see here was a strong resistance. This should be now support. I want to see one more time. Let's see now, we are not trading. Let's wait. Let's see what happened here now, if he'll break down or if he'll stay up. And you see he broke down, that's why we don't trade the first. Now I think the next area of interest will be around here. That one I think we can trade. This one we will trade right away, because this one we know is good. So if you come down here to this line here, I think you can put it there. This line we will trade. Let me see if we can change the color on this one, make it more easy for you. Let's change this one for red. There, now we have the colors correct. Make it more easy. So the green one down here now, we will trade on. We are ready. That's it. Come on, a little more. I'm not taking it yet. We need to come down to the green line. Not even considering to go in before we come down to the green line. Let's see. There, I'm in. That's a beautiful entry. You see that here we have the spikes. We got the same equal spike here now. Now let's see if this can turn into money. He's crossing a little far down. I don't like that. Let's wait and see. I'm having a bad session now, I need to admit. And then he go up. How are we down to now? I think now I will need to have a line here. This was super annoying. Okay, let's take a new one down there. Now let's see. We are ready. Now I think this area here should be interesting again. I'm not trading this one yet. I want to see, confirm it first. But I will trade the one down there. Now let's see. We are trading the green line down here now. After we'll go to information and we'll see the trades we've done, how much we lost or won in this session. Basically, I need to admit, I only have in 1 year trading 5 losing sessions. I think now we are more or less in 0, maybe a little minus, but you have many trades yet, so I think we'll turn that around. So I want to see what's going to happen before this one. The red line we are not trading yet, okay? We need to get a confirmation on that line before we trade it. I like to have at least one confirmation to see that he get a refusement on the line and go a little down, and that means the next one I will trade it, okay? The green line down here is active, the one up here is not, okay? Now let's see. really want to see if this one still leads something. And makes sense, you have this M, the market always, and then you always go to the baseline. So I think this looks amazing for me, but I need to have a confirmation first. Now let's see, if you come down to the green, I will do a trade. Now let's see, some patience we need to have again. But yes, the win rate today, it's not the best. I'm not used to lose so much. I feel I got unlucky 2 times, right? Like they're talking about seconds difference. So super annoying, but that's how it is some days. The thing is that the one thing you always need to have control of in the market, like if you feel you have days like this, is your emotions. If you can keep control of your emotions, keep to your plan, we make money. If you start to go out of your plan, that's when you start to lose money. Okay. So now we are ready to trade this green line down here again. It's at 0.87264. I almost had it push up. I did not do yet. I should maybe have done, but I didn't. Did you take a trade here? Tell me. Was exactly a line I was not fast enough to push. If I'd done, I think we would have won. But I'm ready to do on the next. Now let's see. But yes, if you did take a trade on this line here now, you would have won. So yeah, at least the line was good. We did was basically a perfect entry you could have got here. Like that, I was not fast enough to take it, but the trade was amazingly good. The line was perfect. Now let's see if we can get a new test here on here now. I'm ready. I'm in. Not perfect entry, but I'm in at least. So there we have it. Now we need to wait 20 seconds. We are deep in the money right now, so that's good. Boom, there you go. Good. Then we have found a very good line down there. Probably you have 2 winner and I got just 1 here now. Now let's see. Eventually he will break this line, so I hope we can get a couple more trades. Let's see now. This time around I will wait to see if he breaks a little more down. I will take a lower trade. Let's see. I wait a little. Wait. Maybe I should have taken it. Would have been a good one again. But I was cautious this time. I thought he would break a little more down and I would get a little better entry. But yes, that would be the new winning trade, by the way. See, I'm a little cautious, and that is emotions, you know. So if you stay to the rules, you make money. And you see, even I break my own rules. But okay, at least we are careful. So if you had taken this, this, and this trade on the line, you would have made money on all 3 ones of them. So update me, send messages. I will check now the chat if someone is writing there. Let me check. No one is right. Air is quiet. Okay. Now we are not trading the red line. We are waiting to see if this line is something. Let's say it. Wait. We are not trading. I need to see if this line will stay. We wait 1 more. It's too close. We need to come down here before I will consider this line good. We are not trading the red line yet. But yes, seems like the line was put correctly. But we need to see what will happen with this bar first. I am not comfortable with this line yet. I did not like this bar. I think he will cross up. It's too close. Yeah, see. That's why we did not trade this line. Now let's see if we can figure out a new one. I think we need to be up around here again. I'm ready to take a trade up there. This one I take active, so active line now is at 0.87526. We will take a trade on this line up here. And we will for sure take another trade up here. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. There, I'm in. Now we need to wait 25 seconds and let's see if this one holds. If we go, I will take another trade. I don't think he will, but let's see. There, I'm in again. And I will take a 200 up, all the way to the top if we go there. Now let's see. There we got this one. And wow, we got a trade. Now we move our line up to this region there. And the bottom one, I don't think we will touch for now. I think I'm pretty happy with this line down here, so you're not going to touch that one. If we come up to this line, yes, we will take a trade. So we are ready. Looks like we get some support down here. Okay, we are ready to go in. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I did not take a trade because I don't feel we are done. I don't like the movement, so I'm not in. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. See? And I take only a little higher. There, I'm in. This, there I liked it. Now let's wait and see how this turns out. Now let's go to the left. Let's see how this pans out. I like the region here. We see the one here, you see? Now let's see. We have a very strong resistance up there. We take it there. Now we are following. We are following. I'm going a little higher now. Strong, super strong resistance here. This should be the winning trade. Let's see. This is a very strong one up here. Now let's see. There. Then I stopped for today. I did a very bad session. I'm embarrassed. I have a losing day. And let's see. We'll now go over here. Now we will take a look at the day for today. So then I have 6 losing days in a month. Let's see here now. We now still need to wait. Let's go to there. He started to go down. Do you know what? I will take one more trade up there. 1,500. Let's go crazy now. Can't have a losing day like this. Now let's see. This is emotions, by the way, just so you know. Terrible day. Okay, we stopped there, and now I'm